Tired of spreadsheets and sticky notes managing your rental properties? Let's dive into the ultimate showdown. Doorloop vs Buildium. First up, Rent Collection. Doorloop boasts user-friendly automated reminders and a tenant portal that streamlines online payments, minimizing late fees and maximizing your cash flow. Buildium also offers online rent collection, with solid reporting features to track payment trends and identify potential issues early on. Explore the pros and cons of processing fees. Now, Tenant Screening. Both platforms integrate with leading services to perform thorough background checks and credit reports, but carefully evaluate the included reports. Next, Accounting. Doorloop's built-in accounting suite streamlines financial management, automates bank reconciliation, and generates detailed reports to help you stay on top of your financials. Buildium's robust accounting features are designed specifically for property management. It offers advanced features like tracking expenses, generating financial statements, and managing budgets. Finally, Maintenance Management. Doorloop's system allows tenants to easily submit requests, which you can assign to vendors and track progress in real time. Buildium's maintenance features help to assign tasks to vendors, track communication with tenants, and ensures you're maintaining your properties, which is best for you.